guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have a pair of speakers for you. They are USB powered, analog input, and they sound amazing. They're LED speakers, so they have changing LEDs on the speaker themselves, which is quite impressive for what they are. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase these. These are just about 20 bucks for them, and they sound amazing. I have a song for you that I'm going to play. So here we go. This is going to be full volume. And you're going to be impressed because they sound incredible. Maximum volume on Windows, maximum volume on the speakers. And they're ported. They sound great. So, I can't say much more about this. They're just a pair of speakers. They're multimedia 2.0, so there's only 2 speakers, no subwoofer. But for what they are, for the size, they work amazing. Remember, USB powered, analog input. There's nothing more I could say about it. I'll have a link in the description below. If you want to buy them, they're inexpensive and they work. And that's all that matters. Volume control is here. On, off. And that's it. That's all there is. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you want to join JoeteckTips, there's a join button below. And if you can't click on the join, if you don't see the join button, there is a link in the description below to click on that and join JoeteckTips. See ya!